our road to zero is our ambitious journey towards zero impact in textiles, built around zero waste, zero water, and zero CO2. Our factory generates tons of manufacturing waste in the form of selvage trimmings and yarn ends. We collect and sort all these wastes and send them to a local spinning mill, where they are turned back into yarn and reintroduced into our production chain. Each year, over 70,000 kilograms of textile waste are diverted from landfills or incineration. We reuse 70% of our wastewater, saving around 100,000 litres of fresh water every day, equivalent to 1,455-minute showers daily, through our ultrafiltration plant. Since September 2022, our facilities have been powered exclusively by green energy. Each year, we prevent 27,200 kilograms of CO2 emissions. This journey is an interactive framework involving suppliers, local artisans, and customers. Everyone contributes positively to combating climate change and helps end users make well-informed purchasing decisions. At Crevin, we believe sustainability is both the present and the future. Every step we take brings us closer to a zero-waste world, where every action counts and every decision matters.